Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best iron board. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Homz Durabilt DX1500 Premium Steel Top Ironing Board with wide leg stability. Homz Durabilt made the iron relaxation a touch bit unique with this iron board. Designed with silicone pads, it dissipates the heat and gives your iron a pleasant spot to relaxation. It additionally retains the best of the iron as it prevents viable damages from burns and scratches. For advanced convenience, this iron board is constructed with an excessive end steel production that ensures great balance and sturdiness. The legs are expandable and feature non-skid toes to maintain the iron board consistent and from slipping. The adjustable top is likewise a useful function that you could use to personalize the peak up to the favored stage. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board with Retractable Iron Rest. Whether you iron over the desk, countertop, or proper on the floor, the Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board designates a comfy spot as a way to iron. With this type of compact and transportable length, you could place it up almost everywhere without ingesting an excessive amount of space. This is a really perfect board for small rooms, dorms, residences, or laundry areas. Storage is in no way a trouble with this transportable iron board. With its collapsible shape, you can fold it up and slip it proper in the back of the door or in the closet. To maximize its function, there is a metal iron rest to preserve your iron from damages. The padded and heat-resistant cowl additionally makes ironing brief and smooth. At number 3, we have the Brabantia ironing board with steam iron rest. If you're seeking out the excellent promoting iron board that can provide an extended lasting first rate and performance, the Brabantia ironing board takes our first spot. Comes in size B, this huge sized iron board is suitable for folks who decide on a bigger running space. The floor is crafted with a padded cowl for easy ironing. Your iron will simply float results easily across the cloth without growing any crimps. The iron holder, on the other hand, has a versatile layout that permits you to position the iron without problems and correctly. While ironing, this board guarantees a strong aid with its non-skid toes and 4-leg frames that maintain it from wobbling. And to make sure it received accidentally crumble even as ironing your garments, Brabantia designed it with a protection lock. At number 2, we have the Ironmatic Space-Saving Ironing Board. Most iron forums are commonly heavy, but if you select a lighter iron board, the Ironmatic Space is a perfect choice. With its space-saving layout and lightweight feature, placing it up is easy. You can also preserve it away for storage with none hassle. The storage hook makes it a good deal less complicated to keep, and you can just cling it up at the back of the door or in your closet. Although it's miles lightweight, it does not compromise durability and stability. The frames are based with a strong metal production and non-skid featuring to maintain it from wobbling. The board is crafted with 3 layers of pads for a smooth and solid surface, and to make it even more at ease for all customers. The iron rest is particularly designed with edges for left-hand and proper hand users. And finally at number 1, we have the wall-mounted ironing board. If you want to optimize your room space, wall-mounted iron boards are an exquisite desire. One of the top-notch unearths in the marketplaces from Superior Essentials. This wall-hooked-up iron board without a doubt is a space saver and handiest calls for a little spot to your wall. Inclusive of a timber mounting plate and screws, you can install it right on your wall. You can just fold it down in case you need to use it. And as it folds in, keeping it away for storage is by no means a hassle. You still have a lot space in your. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. This video is helpful to you. Please make sure like, comment and you have any question about this iron board. You can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.